Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I've got this 10th and 11th century Viking and Anglo-Saxon Langseax, and it's a lovely piece. So we'll just deal with the sheath first of all, because that's the easy one to do. And we've got a nice bit of brass border work here with dot and circle motif and some incised triangles, so very period correct. Nice decorated suspension rings, and then carved and incised decoration on the leatherwork there. Like all saxes, seems to be worn at the front, seems to be worn edge upwards. So that's where it sits. And then we come to the knife itself. So Anglo-Saxons, obviously, they used to hang out in England quite a lot. But then the Vikings. The Vikings, of course, is not a name of a people. It is a name of an activity, going Viking. So a lot of them came from Denmark, a few from Norway and Scandinavia, from Sweden. But the Vikings settled here in England. Now that is a very characteristically Anglo-Saxon shape, this broken back sax. But because they settled here and they lived here, traded here, they would have ended up with these weapons as well. So it's not the sort of knife that would have been made in Scandinavia, but it is the sort of knife that would have been locally made here in England. And like all broken back saxes, it starts here, relatively stout, you know, it's not a thin blade, but it thickens up. So the thickest part of the blade is actually here at the break. The handle itself, you've got horn, ash, and a little bit of brass detailing on the back here. And it is altogether just a lovely piece for a warrior, a housecarl, Viking berserker, whatever it may be. But there you have it. Anglo-Saxon, Viking, Langseax.